will learn about a new server action from which we can simply delete the records. So previously we have seen that how we can duplicate the records from the server action. Now we are looking that how we can simply delete multiple records from the server action. So for what we need to do, we just need to navigate on the server action, click on the server action, and we can create a new server action with the name of delete SOs, and we will use execute code, and we will select the model which is sales.order in our case. And now what we can do, we can simply write a code for rec in records rec.unlink, bracket open, bracket close. Now we can simply save this, and after saving this we can click button for create contextual action. Now we can go into the sales order. Before that we just refresh the page. Now we can move on sales orders, rotations. So for example, if we want to delete these two records, we can simply click these two records and go into the action and just delete as those. So you can see that the selected sales orders have been deleted. So this is a simple way you can simply create a server action in Odoo and you can delete your required records. So thanks for watching and stay tuned with this.